know that dancing pattern that sometimes looks like a rainbow on people's shirts and jackets? Did you know it has a name? It's called the Moray Effect. By definition, it's a large-scale interference pattern that occurs when an opaque ruled pattern with transparent gaps is overlaid with another similar pattern. The translation of that is when you have a stripe pattern over another slightly different stripe pattern, you create an optical illusion. When it comes to photos and videos, this happens because the camera's imaging sensor is laid out as a grid, and when there are thin stripes on camera, it doesn't get picked up well on the imaging sensor. So how do you fix this? Not in post. You can't easily edit out a moire when it happens, so that's why we tell people it's never a good idea to wear thin stripes on camera. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Natalie, you're wearing a solid color shirt. Why do I still see some moire in there? That's because the camera is picking up the stitching of the shirt. We usually tell people to wear solid colors or large patterns if they want to, so that we can focus on what's really important, the story. When in doubt, it's always helpful to bring a few extra wardrobe changes, just in case. Let us know what else you'd like to learn about, and I hope that was a good tip for you.